Executive Secretary. What are the skills of Executive Secretary? Executive Secretary is extremely knowledgeable professionals who sustain execs or administration in an administrative capacity. They carry out research, manage schedules, as well as provide reliable and also effective administrative assistance. An Executive Secretary is in charge of organizing all activities of a magnate. They are accountable for making sure that the executive is able to make all conference and events. Executive Secretary skills and requirements. Capacity to multitask as well as prioritize jobs. Excellent time administration skills. Well-developed organizational skills. Interest to detail. Terrific verbal and written interaction abilities. Expert discretion. An executive secretary is the first face or voice to an executive and manages communications, manages team, prepares reports, schedules meetings and so far more. I do not like to be in the spotlight, I'm better training others up. The capability to provide strong management assistance to keep points moving along appears to be my niche. About Executive Secretary certifications. Executive Secretary accreditations allow professionals to prove their certifications to existing and future companies. Executive Secretaries can gain accreditations to obtain more academic knowledge of their obligations, test their expert skills, and also further advance their occupation. Advantages of benefits of attending Executive Secretary course. Gain a more comprehensive understanding of the organization, raise your business acumen and bring new ideas, skills to your organization. Provide your executive with higher self-confidence to pass on more important as well as important tasks to you. Significance of Executive Secretary certifications in 2021. For training, lots of executive secretaries discover the specific approaches and also innovation pertaining to their duty while on the job. This training may be part of the onboarding procedure with a new business and also may last a few weeks to a month. After the general training period, they may choose that supervisor for certain concerns. Executive Secretary with previous appropriate experience might move administrative skills such as client service and time management to help a brand new company. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for an Executive Secretary certification course in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Executive Secretary preparation course. Executive Secretary certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Executive Secretary exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Executive Secretary every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/